Many Ford-based classic update kits include a factory-style ignition switch and lock cylinder that must be installed in a specific orientation. If the lock cylinder and the switch are not properly staged prior to insertion, the key will not lock into place and the switch cannot be installed. The switch should be in the accessory position in order for the locating tab on the lock cylinder to slide into position. To verify position, use a flat-bladed screwdriver to rotate the plastic base inside the switch all the way to the left. If the switch is not in this position, the lock cylinder will not fully seat and the switch cannot be installed. Once you've rotated the interior of the switch as needed, insert the key into the lock cylinder. Use a paper clip or small pick to press the detent button under the face of the cylinder. Rotate the key 1/4 turn left. This will depress the button and allow the lock cylinder to be inserted into the switch. Align the switch and lock cylinder keyways and insert the cylinder into the switch. It will only install one way, so make sure the tab at the base of your lock cylinder is at the same orientation as the plastic base inside the switch you've pre-adjusted with the screwdriver. Once the lock cylinder is fully seated, turn the key to the right. This should lock the cylinder into place, and your key will function in every position. To remove the lock cylinder, simply rotate to accessory, press the locking pin, rotate the lock cylinder, and pull straight out of the switch assembly. In addition to following us on YouTube, please check us out on Facebook, CarBuff Network, Instagram, and AmericanAutowire.com.